Hey there, travelers. So, one question I get all the time is, where can you actually get a Saily SIM? Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. There's an affiliate link and a 15% off coupon waiting for you in the description. Use that when you grab your Saily SIM plan, and you'll save a little extra cash. All right, let's talk about where to get Saily. The simplest and quickest way is straight through the Saily website or the Saily app. You can grab the app for free from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you open it, setting things up couldn't be easier. Pick the country you're traveling to, choose the data plan that fits your trip, and check out. After that, you can install your SIM right inside the app. No need to visit a store or deal with a physical card. Here's why people love it. Saily works in more than 150 countries, and plans start at just a few dollars depending on where you're headed. It's built by the same team behind NordVPN, so you also get some really solid extras like web protection, ad blocking, and even a virtual location option to keep you safe while browsing abroad. And if that's not enough, Saily's been featured by National Geographic, CNN, and Forbes. So it's definitely trusted by travelers everywhere. Once your SIM is installed, your plan automatically activates when you land at your destination. That means you're online instantly. No roaming fees, no waiting for Wi-Fi, and no surprises. So, to keep it simple, if you're wondering where to get Saily SIM, just go to the official website or download the Saily app. It's fast, affordable, and super reliable. And don't forget, use that affiliate link and 15% off code in the description to grab a nice discount on your first plan. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.